Welcome to Grand Sabon. This is Alpha and today, i-share ko sa inyo guys itong unboxing this products from Nurture Soap that I bought for my upcoming soap making. Ayan, so i-share ko sa inyo guys ano ba ang mga nandito sa ating box. Ayan. Okay. So, let's see, and so, tignan natin ang mga nabili ko online from Nurture Soap. Isa ito sa company na binibilhan ko ng mga soap supply ko for my soap making, and ito yung kanilang receipt. So, I got 2, 4, 6, 7 essential oils and fragrance. Okay, ano ba ang ating next soap na ating gagawin? Wow! I like this! Ito yung kanilang libreng pouch. Yeah, they give free 5 grams bag of orchid purple. So, mayroon na naman tayong skin safe soap colorant. Ayan, let's see this. This is beautiful. Oh, mayroon pa. Ayan. I don't always answer my door, but when I do it, it's because I'm soaping supplies have arrived. Wow, it's fun. Your order was packed by Lolly. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's see. So, this will be my next collection or next soap na gagawin ko in the future. Bergamot and honey. Si-share ko sa inyo guys ang amoy nito, kung ano yung mga combination ng scent na meron dito sa bergamot and honey. Very nice. This one is coconut lime verbena. This is one of my favorite. It's so good. I like the smell of that. Hindi nakakasawa ang amoy. Okay, another 2. So, 7 essential oil ito and fragrance. This one is orange patchouli. So, first time kong gagamit itong orange patchouli. So, let's see. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo guys ang blend, combination ng mga bawat isa nito. So, this one is Maiden Rose. Amoy rosas. Maiden Rose. Exciting. That's something new na hindi ko pa ginawa in the past. This one is, I don't know why they wrap it like this, but see. So, I think this is essential oil kasi talagang kailangan maingat ang kanilang pagpapacking. Yeah, this is essential oil. So, essential oil and fragrance oil, magkaiba sila. So, this one, tea tree. Oh, this is antibacterial. This is antibacterial essential oil. This is very favorite ng mga customers because of the benefits. Because of its great benefits. Antibacterial. Mahirap buksan ito isa. I think I have used, dapat pala gumamit ako ng scissor. This one is rosemary. This is also a great smell. Great essential oil, rosemary. And rosemary and tea tree, you can combine these two. And it will create great scent. And kahit ito lang alone, even one fragrance like rosemary lang, it can stand alone on soap. Pag tea tree, you don't need to mix any other scent or essential oil. It is so good. This one, I think I need to kailangan ko ng scissor. Mas mabilis pag scissor. I'm excited. So, makakagawa ako ng marami na namang soap for the upcoming season, which is Christmas. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, Tabatid, friends, subscribe ka lang para makita mo pa ang mga future or upcoming videos ko in my soap making. Please like at mag-comment na rin po kayo, mga friends, old and new friends. Yeah. Lemongrass. This is one also of my favorite. I am happy with all this na nabili ko. So, mayroon tayong susunod na lemongrass soap. Lemongrass soap without any combination. And you can also combine lemongrass and tea tree, lemongrass and rosemary, or just lemongrass. It's good. And this one are fragrance oil. So, these are essential oil, and you can use this soap and you can use this scent alone in your soap making. And for fragrance oil, you can combine any of this, blend. You can blend rose and orange patchouli. You can also blend coconut lime with this, or just coconut lime. Great smell. Bergamot and honey, it's also very, very nice smell. Yeah, all this will be my next batch of soap that I will be making. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And mag-comment ka na rin. And see you guys sa aking mga susunod na videos. At gagamitin natin ang mga scent and fragrance oil na ito in my future soap making. So, this is the company that I usually buy my some supplies, Nurture Soap. So, hindi naman ako nagpo-promote, but then I like their products. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you.